Right. Look at the note, ma. What is the note here? Between the two rational numbers, we have infinitely many numbers. What it means, ma? Look at here. So, for example, look at the natural numbers. So, what are the natural numbers, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. On the number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay. Between these two, 1 and 2, we don't have any number here. Okay. 1, then next only 2. Okay. So between these two, we don't have any numbers here. Okay. Right. Similarly, whole numbers also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay. Between this 0 and 1, we don't have any number here. Between this 1 and 2, we don't have any number. Okay. So similarly, Z, it means integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So what we can say here, between this 0 and 1, what is the next number of 0? 1. What is the next number of 1? 2 it is. Okay. So it means there is no number between the numbers. Okay. Right. Similarly, look at for integers, ma. So for example, this is a number line of rational numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, minus 1, minus 2. So consider it is a rational number line. So between 0 and 1, we are having so many numbers, ma. For example, this is a 1 by 2. Is a number lies between 0 and 1. Again, this 1 and 0 and 1 by 2, we have one more number. So we have like that infinitely many numbers, ma. Suppose look at here. So between 0 and 1, we can write 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 8, 9, again 0.10, it is nothing but nothing but 1 more. Okay. So between 0 and 1, we have these numbers. Okay. In that only again, between this 0.1 and 0.2, we have many numbers, ma, like 0.11, 0.12, so on, 0.20, it means 0.19, so on, 0.20. Okay. Between 0.1 and 0.2, we have 10 numbers again. So like that, we can write infinitely many numbers here. Okay. So we can find that numbers with the use of this mean method, this method 1, mean method. Okay. So we can find the numbers between the two rational numbers with the use of mean method. Already you have learned. So for example, if I take A equals to 2, B equals to 3. Okay. Between 2 and 3, we have to find one number here. Okay. So A plus B by 2 is the formula. What we can write, ma? 2 plus 3 by 2, it is nothing but 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 lies between 2 and 3, ma. 5 by 2 means nothing but 2.5. Is it 2.5 lies between 2 and 3 or not? Okay, right. So lies between 2 and 3, ma. Okay. So again, if I take A equals to 2, B equals to 5 by 2. So I am taking 2 is as A, 5 by 2 as B, ma. So in that only again 2 plus 5 by 2 by 2. What becomes, ma? Cross multiplication 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2 by 2. What becomes, ma? 4 plus 5 by 2 by 2, we can write it as 9 by 2 by 2, it is 9 by 4. This 9 by 4 lies between 2 and 5 by 2, it means 2 less than or 2 less than 9 by 4 less than 5 by 2. Like this, we can write infinitely many numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, this is the mean method. What is the mean method, ma? A comma B are two rational numbers, then A plus B by 2 is also a rational number and lies between A and B. That means A less than A plus B by 2 less than B. Okay,